Biggest musical influence would be John Mayer. Just like how tidy he is on the guitar and his voice. Damien Rice as well. They've played a big part in just my own songwriting. Don't know, older people like Eric Clapton. Really like his music. I don't know, when I'm busking, it's a wee bit different because obviously I'm playing the guitar and singing is normal, but I use a vocal processor. So when I can just do different effects, like make my voice go really high, it's like gets heads turning, gets it that bit different. So obviously.
So you use that to sort of make a noise then to get yourself noticed more?
Aye. So that is exactly what it is. Just so people are walking by and they're turning, wondering what was that. Then obviously you've got the people who go by who genuinely think that I can sing about 5 octaves higher than I really can. So it's good like that.
Old friend, why are you so shy? It ain't like you to turn back or to hide from the light. And I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited.